Good afternoon, Divya, Kanishka, Vishal, Satyashri. Good afternoon. I'm fine, beta. I'm fine. Fever is not there. Weakness is there only. I can manage now. Send the link in the group and tell everyone to join fast. Huh? Tell everyone to join. I know, Kanishka, but I'm having one more class for class 10th and I cannot stand for long time. So only I'm feeling still weakness is there. So only I told, you could have told me previously only na, that you have class this time. Okay, fine. Shall we start? Hello, Rajesh. Corona is very bad. I learned one thing. Don't play with corona. It is really very... Never play with it. It's really very dangerous thing. Yeah. Never play with this. Just 1 minute. Let me fix the slides. Yeah, the slides are getting ready. Just 1 minute. I think I got the old one. I have to go back. I think this is the first one. It has only 20 slides. Okay, polynomial already I have given so many revisions and all. So many revisions I have already given for you for polynomial. Avinash. Already given so much revisions in that now. Okay, fine. So now law of conservation of conservation of energy we are going to study today. Okay, so conservation of energy we are going to study today. Transformation of energy. So now today we are going to study transformation of energy. Okay, so in transformation of energy, what and all work we are going to do, that we are going to study first. In transformation of energy, this also only 20 slides are showing. Made new slides. Just 1 minute. Huh? Yes. So transformation of energy we have to start. I think let's start with this PDF I have to send. 1 minute. Michael, I'm all right. Just 1 minute. I have to download one PDF for all of you. If this PDF will not be, just 1 minute. I'll start. Huh? Good afternoon, Ekta. I'm fine, beta. I'm fine. Just 1 minute. It's not uploaded. I have to show you one video. Just 1 minute here. Where is it? Sorry for the delay. I have to start that PDF. Okay. I think this is the PDF. It's not opening after 20. Fine. Now look here, beta. I'm going to start with conservation of energy, transformation of energy. I'll send you that PDF. I think its PDF is not coming till now. Now look here. So transformation of energy. So in transformation of energy, what does transformation of energy means for you? So first, if somebody will be asking you what does transformation of energy, what answer you are going to give? What does transformation of energy means for you? Come on, quickly tell me. That means when the energy will be transferred, Darshini, I'm all right. When the energy will be transferred from one form to another, it will be exactly called as transformation of energy. The transfer of energy from one form to another will be called as transformation of energy. It will be called as transformation of energy. Now first transformation of energy, I'm going to ask from all of you. The first transformation of energy, conversion of potential energy, conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. One example, into kinetic energy. First example, conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. Come on, start answering the question. Conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. When one example you have to give, when we can say that when a body is exactly released from certain height, potential energy to kinetic energy. Yes, one example where we can discuss about conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. Yes, that is transformation of energy. Exactly what is transformation of energy? That PDF is not opening, so I just don't want to waste time. I'm just going through with explanation only. I'll send you that PDF, don't worry. So what is conversion of conversion means, one example you have to give where transformation of energy is taking place from potential energy into kinetic energy. From potential energy into kinetic energy, falling ball is an example. Keshav is giving example. Vishal is telling when a ball from a mountain. Okay, fine. That means the potential energy stored in the ball will get converted into kinetic energy. Very well done. Both of you are absolutely correct. Okay, aeroplane flying, ma'am, absolutely. So potential energy will get converted into kinetic energy. Very well said. Okay, keeping the book on a table is also an example of potential energy. Super, Avinash. Now I'm asking next example, conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy. 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 Conversion of kinetic energy of a body into potential energy. Which example you think is the apt example where conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy we can talk about? Give me example fast for conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy. Kinetic energy of a body will get converted into potential energy. Okay, fine. Just give me first example. Kinetic energy of a body get converted into potential energy. Okay, Keshav, throwing a ball over a wall and get stopped on the wall. Better than that example, Keshav, if you can give. Better than that example, if you can give. Throwing of on a wall, okay, fine, means the wall is exactly where you can discuss 100% that yes, there is a change of energy. Yes, there is a change of energy taking place when you can talk about. So 100% sure about the Keshav answer is okay. When a ball is thrown on mountain, okay, fine. Another example Vishal has given, when a ball is thrown on mountain. So I'm just going to give one simple example that when a ball is going up. So the thing here is कि once you are exactly pushing, once you are throwing a ball to certain height, then the ball will have energy called as kinetic energy. The ball will have motion. One place it will reach where the motion of the body, means the external force what you have applied to the body will be finished, and the body will be purely on the gravitational pull. So pure gravitational pull will be there after that. So this place where the body will reach to a maximum height, it will be exactly called as potential energy. Basketball while putting in basket, very good. Shrutika, when a moving body stops, so sudden stoppage of moving body will be exactly conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy. Well said. I really want all of you to participate today to answer the questions. Very good. So the thing here is, yes, upward movement of a ball will be exactly showing a case of kinetic to potential, will be showing a case of what? Kinetic to potential energy. Absolute, no problem. So next example I am going to show, that means the kinetic energy will be there and potential energy will not be there. No, the kinetic energy will be decreasing and the potential energy will increase. Means when we throw a ball to a certain height, what happens actually? When the ball is moving, the ball, means you have a ball in your hand, Keshav, and suddenly what you did is you push the ball upward. So when you push the ball upward, then what happened actually is the ball is now going up. Now kinetic energy, as the ball started going up, the kinetic energy keeps on deteriorating and potential energy keeps on increasing, and one stage will be there where potential energy will be maximum and kinetic energy will be zero. So that will be at a height h, that will be exactly at a height h. So exactly this is the case. So we say that when a ball is exactly thrown upward, then the kinetic decreases, potential increases, and at particular height, when the velocity becomes zero, it will be only potential, zero kinetic. So at this height, when the ball attended at height, the potential will be there, but kinetic energy will become zero at this case. So kinetic energy will become zero at this case. This is a very important point to remember. I hope everyone must just remember this point. So when you throw a ball up, when you throw a ball to certain place, what happens? So specifically when somebody will be talking to me about kinetic energy get converted into potential, then I'll give an example of a ball throwing up. So where I can see a specific change in kinetic and potential, because the kinetic reduces, potential increases, and at particular height the potential will be maximum. The ball will be exactly stopped for a fraction of second there, and then it will start descending down. So it will be case of free fall also, because after that it will be totally in gravity effect. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this point. So now we are going to talk about mechanical energy, change in conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy, conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. You know, one full PDF I have made ready, but PDF is not available. Mechanical energy into electrical energy, into electrical energy. So EE I wrote. So mechanical energy into electrical energy. on its extremities will also be a case, but right now just discuss about water dam. Yes, absolutely correct, Keshav. So this is the best example of conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. So when we talk about conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy, so where you know that ki water in dam na, in the dam water will be stored. So when in dam we are seeing that the water is exactly stored there, that is exactly potential energy. Okay, so once the dam water will be released, so once the dam water will be released, now the potential of the body will get converted into potential of water body, water got converted into kinetic, then the water will rotate the turbine. Yes, the water will rotate the turbine, and the rotation of the turbine generate electricity. So that's why it is called as mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. If you will give me 5 minutes, I want to show you that PDF. So I just want to transfer that PDF and I'm going to again connect. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm going to connect again. I really want to discuss that PDF. Okay, just 5 minutes. I'll